Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change letter spacing in Microsoft Word. Adjusting character spacing in Word helps to enhance readability, improve text alignment, and create a more polished professional look in your documents. So let's start the video. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Here I have a simple sentence ready to go. So first, highlight the text you want to adjust. With your text selected, go up to the Home tab in the Word ribbon. Then look for the font group. Now click on the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group. This will open the font dialog box where you can access more advanced text formatting features. Here click on the Advanced tab. Here you will see an option called Spacing. By default it's set to normal. Click on the drop-down menu next to Spacing. Here you have three options: normal, expanded, and condensed. Selecting expanded will increase the space between your letters, while condensed will decrease it. After choosing expanded or condensed, you will see a small input field next to it where you can specify the exact amount of spacing you want. You can adjust this by clicking the up or down arrows or typing in a specific value. Once you have adjusted the spacing to your liking, click OK to apply the changes. And just like that, your letter spacing is adjusted. So that's how to change letter spacing in Word. Thanks for watching.